Today I want to talk about someone who's making a real difference in our beloved nation. Pamela M. Tremont, the United States Ambassador to Zimbabwe. Pamela isn't just any ambassador. She's here to support us as we strive for a more democratic and prosperous future. Imagine this: a Zimbabwe where every voice is heard, every dream can be chased, and where prosperity is not just a word, but a reality for all of us. This vision isn't just a fantasy. It's something Pamela is working tirelessly to help us achieve. She's passionate about building partnerships that confront global challenges, with Zimbabwe at the forefront. Pamela's commitment goes beyond politics. She's deeply invested in our communities, education, and the overall development of our country. Whether it's through supporting local businesses, empowering our youth, or fostering new economic opportunities, she believes in our potential and is here to help unlock it. Let's talk about democracy. A truly democratic Zimbabwe is a place where everyone has a seat at the table, where transparency and accountability are the norms, not the exceptions. Pamela's mission is to support us in strengthening these foundations, ensuring that our voices are not just heard but valued and acted upon. And prosperity? It's not just about wealth. It's about creating an environment where innovation thrives, where our natural resources are used sustainably, and where every Zimbabwean has the chance to build a better life. Pamela's efforts are geared towards attracting investments, building infrastructure, and fostering a vibrant economy that benefits all. So next time you hear about Pamela M. Tremont, remember she's not just an ambassador. She's a partner, an ally, and a friend to Zimbabwe. Her dedication to our nation's growth is a testament to what we can achieve together. Let's embrace this opportunity, work alongside her, and continue building the Zimbabwe we all dream of. The future is bright, and with leaders like Pamela, it's within our grasp. Thanks for watching, and let's keep pushing forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories about the people making a difference in Zimbabwe.